Yes, guys, 3 low competition Fiverr gigs. Let's go. Guys, stay right to the end because I've got a bonus, also another bonus low competition gig, and I think you're going to love this one. So stay right to the end, please. So, anyways, let's go without further ado. So, look, when you're looking at services, this number is pretty good, 3,187. That's a really good low number to be able to rank for and to be able to get yourself seen on. Now, I like to go for some easy gigs, like without anything, without having to know much. And those are really good to do. Now, this one is called user testing. So, literally, what these people do is they will test out a website or an app and literally give back some feedback. And it could be like written feedback, it could be like a video feedback. But this is really one of the easiest gigs you could do, guys. And literally, and I've done this before. And all it is they'll message you and ask you to check out, let's say, their app, a new app maybe, or a website that they want you to check out for their business, and just give them some feedback, guys. And literally, look, you can charge anywhere from, let's say, 10, 20, 30, 40 pounds just for just like a 30-minute feedback. And it could be, like I said, a verbal feedback, it could be a written feedback, whatever they wish. But all it is really they'll give you a link to a website and then ask you to check it out and just to kind of feedback as a user, as a customer. And that's all it is. This is one of the easiest gigs out there, guys. Honestly, I've done it myself and it's very, very simple. So please check this one out. Check it out, see what the competition are doing, and then see if you can get yourself ranked on there. So user testing, guys, that's one. Number 2 on my list, guys, is something which is called converting to an ebook or formatting. Converting something to an ebook format is one of the easiest things you could do. Now, obviously, there are formats for books, for example, especially when you're looking at something like Amazon. Now, Amazon is one that a lot of people want to get some uploading, or they want you to change it into a kind of convert it into a type of ready for publishing as well. So, check this out as well. And literally all you need to do is kind of try and get yourself some of the software, not the software, but the conversion software. So it could be, if they want it into a specific type of format, find out what format they're looking for and just try and get that, just find out how to do that to convert the file. It really is that simple. But I think a lot of people do search for Amazon KDP ebooks and how to kind of create the format for it, which is pretty easy to do, guys. It's not hard. But you can check it out. You can see that, for example, the Kindle formatting is quite popular. Look, this guy's got 1,000 requests, right, from £16, £17, and it really, look at that, 1,300. It was crazy amount of reviews. Look, the premium will get you 67, and that's a package of layout design, page numbering, print ready for the EPUB or Mobi or PDF, and these are so easy to get and to get and convert to. So converting an ebook, because ebooks are very popular now, and everybody wants to create an ebook, so it makes sense. So that, with also ebook design, which you can do using software which I love using called Canva. So Canva is something which I do my thumbnails, and I can also do ebook covers. So ebook covers and ebook formatting for the written stuff is also pretty popular, right? So check that out. It's really good and something that I think is very easy to do as well. It's a simple one. Again, the services are 1,587. Low competition, easy to get into. You just need to get yourself there, get nice images, make sure you got clear images. Just look at the ones at the top. I keep saying it. The ones are here at the top. These guys are ranking right at the top. Don't look at these 4 because these are something else, but these are all ranked. This is the first page ranking. So have a look and see what they're saying, what they're doing, what's the information. Look, this one's actually even clients of Fiverr and Amazon. So this one's pretty good, right? This one's quite good. Look at the 5-star rating. Try to look at something that hasn't got many reviews on the first page. Now look at this one. This is Fiverr's choice, and it's got 17 reviews only. you know. Pretty good to get there on that first page. Now look at these ones, 1K, 1K, quite a lot, quite high, but I'm trying to find something on the first page like this one. 17 again reviews. Look, they try to keep it low price at the beginning and then they raise up the price later. That's another tactic to make sure that you do. Another one here, look, 19 reviews starting at £55. Guys, this is really good. This is a good one. So check it out. This is your number 2 idea, guys. Convert into an ebook, or should I say formatting. Now let's check out the next one, guys. So I'm looking at I'm going to look at this one and then I'll show you my bonus one. Now this is getting to be quite popular. AI drawings, AI designs. Come on, you must have seen these, guys. So check it out. When you go to graphic design, you'll see that it's come up as a new topic, or a new service, should I say. AI artists, and it's new. Now, come on, you must have seen it. When people got their profile or whatever it is, you see this little artistic AI design. Now, look, these are all these artistic designs. Now, to be honest, look, there's quite a lot of services here. There's quite a lot of services, but it's getting to be very popular. So there's a lot of customers. Even when you type in AI art, let's say, you can see people are asking for it, especially AI art Midjourney, right, which is a very popular one. And I'll talk to you about Midjourney. So a lot of these are created through a software called Midjourney, right? Very, very fantastic AI software, quite easy to work with as well, guys, by the way. Look, client is 5 on this one. What's nice about it, look, this is on the top of the first page, and this guy's got 12 reviews, so not that many, and £20 is the first charge, right, for one of the designs. But let's just click on it and let's just see what it's about. So look, you can see the standard one, a digital design, is £20, £33, and then the premium is £67. Okay, so quite a lot of money, but it's not difficult to do, guys. It's not difficult to do. And look, they've been specific. They've said, I will use Midjourney to create character fantasy concept art illustration, right? Like I said, this is the new type of art that people are requesting a lot of. So basically, look, you can get yourself ranked pretty much quickly if you get into this quite quick on the first page. There's a lot of demand, but there's also quite a lot of services. Now, to create this kind of art, you need to use something called Midjourney, and this is Midjourney here. So if you type in midjourney.com, it will come up, and you can see all of these different types of art is how it is created. When you go to this website, it will explain exactly how you can create this fantastic, beautiful art. And it's not difficult at all. I'm going to do a tutorial on this quite soon, but it's not difficult at all. Now, let's just have a look at the pricing very quickly, because it's very reasonable as well, by the way. Let me just get down to the pricing, subscription plans. And like I said, you can offer this not only on Fiverr, but on other freelancing platforms, because it's quite popular. So the basic plan is $10, standard is $30, and the pro plan is $60. You won't need the $60 pro plan, but try it out on the $10 basic plan. But like I said, it's the easiest thing that you could do. It's really not hard to create. You don't need a lot of skill to do this. This is literally done by AI, okay? Automated. Now, guys, like I said, I got a bonus one for you. Remember, I did say there's a little gem here, so check this out, guys. Now, this is another really popular one now. If you check this out, it's called Cash Cow YouTube, or automated YouTube videos. Now, the services are quite low, which is quite good. 6,723 when I type in Cash Cow YouTube. Obviously, I could type in anything else. Look, Cash Cow YouTube edit, Cash Cow YouTube ton. There's lots of things. I could say AI automated, but when I type in this particular keyword, this is the amount of services I get. So like I keep saying, whatever service you're trying to do, type in different keywords until you get to quite a reasonable low amount of services so that you're able to rank. on this number, I think it's possible to rank quite well on the first page. Because remember, most of the sales are on the first page of Fiverr, guys. Know this, yeah? So here you can see, let's just look at someone quite low, not quite low, but this seller, 4 reviews, so quite new in the game, 38 pounds, right? I will create an automated cash cow YouTube channel, right? But guys, you might be asking, what is a cash cow YouTube channel anyway, right? So it does look quite good that you can rank quite well on this page. And look, here you go, another one. I'll make an automated cash cow. 1 review, but managed to get on the first page. So it's not hard to get onto the first page, guys. And like I said, this is getting to be very popular. But what is a cash cow video? You might be asking. Well, let me show you guys. A cash cow video is literally a video like this. So if you go to YouTube, and this is under a channel called Everyday Money, and this video has got 609k views. So this channel is making money. This video is making money. But this is what the cash cow video looks like. Let me play it.
First and foremost, today's approaches are completely free and effective all over the world. Second, you learn everything you need to know to get started on the process, including all the necessary information and a step-by-step strategy, so you can start earning immediately after watching this video. You'll also see exactly how much money you can make and how simple it is, and you'll be sorry if you close this video and miss out on this opportunity.
So guys, this is what's known as a cash cow video. What it is a video that's created, again, the video is created through AI. So I'm going to show you a website which you can go to. Check out the links in my description. It gives you all the links to use. But I'm going to show you one for this one, which is called PICTORY. Now, PICTORY will do something exactly like this. It will put a video together for you, and you can do either your own voice or you've got an AI voice. And literally, you can create something just like this in about 5 minutes. Now, look at it. We did see on Fiverr, people are charging, different prices, but let's just have a look, 25, 29, 25, 25 pounds for a cash cow video. And these can be done in 5 minutes. 5 minutes, guys, is crazy. But, you can see why people want it because, these videos are quite popular and they can make a lot of money for people. But it doesn't have to be about making money. It can be about any topic that they want to do. But obviously the clients will choose. Now, how do you actually make something like this? Well, you go to a website called PICTORY, and I've got the link in my description. And literally, I will also show you on the next video exactly how to create a cash cow video step by step. I'll take you through it in a tutorial, guys. So you should check out my next video. But guys, that is it. That is the 3 plus a bonus low competition gigs that you can do on Fiverr. Hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Don't forget to check out my playlist, but do check out the videos that are going to come up, which I go through PICTORY step by step so you can actually create a new gig today, guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.